Hello everyone, I'm Phyo. I'm studying at Tesco University. Technology for cargo drones. Yes, technology. Drones have been around for more than 2 decades, but the last few years have been significant in terms of drone adoption, usage expansion across the industry, and global awareness. Individuals, commercial entities, and governments have become to realize that drones have multiple uses: aerial photography, express shipping and delivery, time-sensitive drone for search and rescue operations. Development of hundreds of more use of drones are underway due to the multiple investments every day. Commercial usage of drones is gaining steady momentum as multiple industries are working with drones as part of their daily regular business function. The next generation of drones, Generation 7, is already underway, as 3D Robotics announced the world's first all-in-one smart drone called Solo. Nowadays, smart drones with built-in safeguards and compliance tech, smart accuracy sensors and self-monitoring are the next big revolution in drone technology that would provide a new opportunity in transport, military, logistics, and commercial sectors. Moreover, autopilot systems such like this technology continue to evolve and grow. Drones will become safer and more dependable. These cargo carrying drones could be coming to the airspace near you. Cargo drones could potentially upend the logistics industry. Morgan Stanley estimates that autonomous urban aircraft could eventually become a $1.5 trillion industry by 2040. And that includes everything from bodyguard takeoff and landing aircraft, flying cars, military UAV, and yes, delivery drones. Drone delivery has been a trend for years, but in Australia capital, the futures became a reality. That drones on a machine a package containing a hot coffee. And on its GPS is the address of another caffeinated customer. You can order a coffee and have it in 3 minutes. When it's connecting one of the most advanced drone delivery services. Ordering is done in an app where users can purchase from stores that are also partnering with Win. Vendor receives the product and pack the order, then it's sent off to their address the user inputs. User even select the package drop zone. The drones fly themselves, no human control, they follow the GPS coordinates. According to the Gartner Hype Cycle for Emerging Technology 2019, light cargo delivery drone is at the border of innovation trigger, which means this is the potential technology breakthrough the case team off. Early proof of concept, story and media interest trigger significant publicity. Often no usable products exist and commercial viability is unproven. As the new innovation became accepted by the general population and competitors enter the market, supply begins to outstrip demand at maturity stage. At the grab by the drone technology, plateau will be reached within 5 to 10 years, so this means that is the estimated time to reach the maturity of technology. Innovation potential of cargo drones. Drone technology is evolving fast, but many users need to be addressed, such as battery life, which is still insufficient to perform long flights. Multiple batteries are often required for flights over a large area under investigation. Drones we can communicate with battery-free RFID technology. Drones could be used to locate and measure inventory within a network of individual sensors located on or in containers around the facility. We need also the Air Traffic Management ATM, which is permission-based access to airspace for authorization to fly in controlled airspace. Thank you.